Hey everyone, it's Dr. Josie here. Today we're going to be focusing on your chest. Not just building strength, but improving mobility, posture, and reducing tension that often leads to neck and upper back pain. We'll cover the basic chest anatomy, then walk through some of my favorite chiropractic approved stretches and exercises. So let's get started. The chest is primarily made up of the pectoralis major and pectoralis minor muscles. The pectoralis major is the largest fan-shaped muscle that spans your chest, responsible for movements like pushing, hugging, and bringing your arms toward midline of your body. Underneath is the pectoralis minor, a smaller muscle that connects your ribs to the front of your shoulder blade. It plays a key role in stabilizing your scapula, which is this little bone on the back of your back here. When these muscles get tight, they can pull your arms and shoulders forward, creating what's called upper cross syndrome, a postural imbalance that puts stress on your neck and spine. So let's get started with some stretches and exercises that can help improve chest strength and mobility. The first stretch we're going to do is a classic doorway pec stretch. Stand in the doorway with your arm at a 90-degree angle, step forward and gently push into that pec. You can hold this for 30 seconds. And repeat on the other side. So standing in the doorway with your arm at 90, gently step forward, and you're gonna really force this to open. You can repeat this 2 to 3 times per day. Next up, we're gonna do a foam roller chest opener. So lay down on a foam roller. You're gonna have it running lengthwise up and down your spine, your thoracic spine. From here, you can put your arms out in a T shape, letting them fall on either side. You can hold this stretch for 1 to 2 minutes. This will really help to open up the chest and decompress the thoracic spine. And when you're ready to get up, just remember to bring up your head first to protect the neck. Now for some movement. Wall angels are great for retraining postural muscles. So you're going to stand against a wall a few inches out, bring your arms up like goalposts, and slowly raise them up and down, trying to keep your low back and head on the wall. For chest activation, I like to use a resistance band. You'll hold your resistance band in one hand, reach behind you, and grab it with the other side. Put it just above your elbows. You'll gently bring your arms in and release. In and release. You can repeat this 10 to 15 times. If your chest is tight, your thoracic spine often gets stiff too. So we'll try some thoracic extensions. So place a foam roller horizontally underneath your mid-back. Support your neck and head, and you'll gently roll back and forth, slow and controlled. Chest health isn't just about pushing heavy weights. It's about balance, mobility, and posture. Incorporate these stretches and exercises 3 to 4 times per week to reduce tension, improve posture, and keep your upper body moving at its best. If you're dealing with pain or postural issues, schedule a chiropractic assessment to see what's going on under the surface. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.